subscribe to my channel, do like and share. This is Pratima, welcome back to my channel. See, today we are going to discuss timer. On delay timer we will discuss. So go for the PLC, select PLC. This is the version is 5.3.7. Now this is a select company, guys, and your PLC is Cellpro PLC. So you can select, you can take the select PLC 5.3.7 version from the online. Also it is available free. Go for the file and new. See here, these are the model numbers. You can select any one of them. So I'm selecting MM30. Actually the MM is inbuilt, so you can select 101 or 301 or 303. So you can select, I'm selecting MM10102. Here after selecting, you have to write your name, project name, that I'm telling on delay timer. So I will type on delay timer. Okay, on delay timer. Now you can set the location also. So here default is C drive. Go for next. Now no need to select anything, no need to change anything, just go for finish. Here we have the some input devices and some triggering devices, means it will acting as a device here. So this is it is all the inbuilt, no need to take extra thing, because whatever we are programming in the PLC, that is showing correct or right or wrong, it will confirm here only, because by using this thing we know that what we have to do in real time. Okay, so see here, this is your wire, that is horizontal wire, this is your vertical wire, this is NO, that it may be all the input devices and sensors. This is NC, so all the input NC, and this is positive triggering, negative triggering. Your coil, this is acting as a load. Your set, reset, this is reset, and this is jumper, and this is also jumper. So I will take one input, that is switch, and it may be a toggle switch or it may be a push button, you can take it. And I want to on the lamp after 5 seconds, so I need timer. So for that timer, go for Project Explorer. Here click on this. See, go for so drag it here, go for function block. By double clicking you can go for function block. Here we have the types of timers. So there are 3 types of timer, guys, that is on delay timer, off delay timer, and pulse timer. Now today we are going to discuss on delay timer. So by giving the double click here, your timer will add here. See, if I'm giving this red mark indication where you want to insert, if I'm keeping this red mark here, then it will insert here. Okay, so that thing you have to check it. Okay, see, this is enable input, this is enable output, this is preset value, and this is current value. We are giving the input to enable the timer, and we are giving the value to set the time, that is after 5 seconds or after 10 seconds, that is defined by this timing value. Okay, this timer. So I'm giving one output, that is my lamp, it may be our tube light or it may be our lamp bulb. So I'm giving the address, that is DI0. Address means we are giving the input, this is we have to define according to the selection of the PLC. This is select PLC, that's why we are giving DI0, that is in percentile IX0. Okay, now we are giving the PV value, that is I will give 5 seconds. So here variable name you can change it, you can write your name also, no problem. I will write this, my name is Pratima, so I will write PP or PK Pratima Kumari. So anything you can write it, or else a lamp should on after 5 seconds, you can write it. This is initial value. In initial value you have to give the timing. Here you have to give initial value, that is T hash some seconds, that is T hash 5 seconds I will give it, means my lamp should on after 5 seconds, and click on OK. Now here CV value, that is means current value, no need to change anything, guys. You can change the variable name, you can write PK or PIT, whatever name you want you can write it, just that thing is there. You can't change the initial value. You can check the address, that is in percentile, QDO means output, it's acting as a output, and the data type is in timer. Retention is no, and you can set retention also yes or no. Retention means 5 seconds, means we given the 5 seconds timing. If current or power will cut after 3 seconds, then that will start from the 3 seconds only, not it will go back. So that retention no or yes we can set it here. Okay, go for okay here. And here I'm giving the output that is defined by inbuilt only. So D not or else D not. After selecting D not, you can change it also by giving double click here. Instead of D not, you can write lamp also. So I'm writing lamp on. Okay, so see here guys, our program is completed. We taken one input and one timer and our lamp. So simple circuit we have to design. Real time also same thing. Go for simulation, run offline. Here see here simulation is happening. Just wait for some seconds, it will on. See, this red indicates that is in off condition. By giving double click here, it will on. See the timing, it will here 5 seconds, here timing is changing, means after 5 seconds your lamp should be on, and it is in on condition only guys, unless you will off the lamp. Okay, off the input. So I'm offing the input. Again if I am on by double click, see your timing is continuing. Okay, so after 5 seconds it will on. See guys, once again it is in off condition only. If I'm on the lamp, see here what happened, this becomes 0 1 2 3, and this lamp should be in off only. After 5 seconds it get on. So this is the working of the on delay timer guys. Okay, so go for the simulation. To stop it, to stop this thing, go for the simulation, run and stop the simulation. Here you can stop it. Okay, so guys, this is the real time wiring diagram whatever we use in the outside, means real time whatever we use, means we taken one phase, from phase we taken to the switch, from switch we taken to the timer input, and from timer we given to the lamp. Here no neutral, we connected in timer. From there we are giving, from neutral we are connecting to the neutral point. Okay, so this indicates neutral point guys. End points indicates neutral point. Middle, there is no middle point, indicates neutral. Okay, so hope you understand guys. Thank you for watching my video.